Hey everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished doing a Starline M66 V2 on this BMW X5 2019 M50D. So how it works is you've got this fob, and without this fob the vehicle is not going to start. Okay, I've got the keys here, so let me just demonstrate it to you. The customer's also opted for an additional add-on of a second immobilization point. So tags here, I haven't pressed it or anything, so let's try to start the vehicle. Vehicle won't start, and also what will happen is you're going to get a phone call shortly. Let's just wait for that. There we go. Phone's calling to notify the customer of a attempted theft. So I'm going to press the button on this to deactivate the Starline system. So that's now deactivated. So if I just press start now, the vehicle will turn on. We've also, what we've done is we've done the second point of mobilization. So if we put the car in gear, it will shut down. There we go. So the customer needs two validations. One's by this fob, by pressing it. You can have it as proximity, but he preferred having a press one, so you know. And the second is turn the car on, enter a code. So you can use multiple buttons on the steering wheel or on the electric windows. Let's just put the code in, and you will see indicators flash twice. Now when I put it in gear, it won't shut down. So dual immobilization, one by tag, one by pin code validation. Quite a new product we're doing. A lot of people are going for this product as the car crime scene is getting really bad. So if you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for watching.